Gathoch chi siwrna iawn i fyny yma?
Do. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Mae John a'i wraig Glenys yma i weld criw oedd wedi rhannu profiad ysgytwol efo fo. Pan oedd o'n blismon ifanc yng Conwy.
Mae rhywun wedi cael rhyw wahanol brofiadau yn ei fywyd, felly. A mae hwn yn un o'r pethau sydd yn arbennig wrach.
Am 60 mlynedd mae John di byw efo atgof o geisio achub criw o blant bach oedd yn boddi. A'r unig gofnod sydd ganddo ydy tystysgrif gan yr RNLI.
Dydwch chi mi, be di hwn? O'n i'n mynd sylwi ar hwn gyna. Os a hanes tu ôl i'r ffrâm ma neu?
O'na illuminated address.
Reit.
Gen yr RNLI. Diwedd 62, ie.
Arcian. Be sy'n tu ôl iddo felly? Pam wnaethon nhw roi o?
O'na ddwy yacht neu beth bynnag oedd enw lle. Ac un ydi llusgo'r angor yn afon Conwy lle. A dyn oedd wedi troi drosodd. Yn 1962, a ryw ddistyl digon oer ym mis Medi lle, gyson ni alwad lle bod gwch mewn trwbl rhwng Gynwy a lle mae'r clwb golf yn Gonwy rwan.
Yn 23 mlwydd oed, mi gafodd John Edwards ei alw ar frys. I achub 6 o blant bach oedd yn sownd ar gwch oedd yn suddo.
Oedd y rienga honyn nhw, dwi'n cofio beth i enw i'r wan lle, ond honno oedd y babi dyflwydd oed, dwi'n meddwl oedd hi.
Aeth y cwch i drafferthion pan fethodd yr angor wrth i wyntoedd godi. Yn ara bach, daeth y dŵr i mewn, gan adael y 6 o blant a'i tad yn cwffio am eu bywydau.
Pan ddaru ni gyrraedd yno lle, mi ddaru rhywun i tynnu nhw allan a'i rhoi nhw'n yn dwylo ni ac i mewn i'r cwch oedden ni dim allan yn ni. A wedyn wrth gwrs mi ddos yr ambulances a'r RNLI.
Anhygoel. Allai feddwl bod o'n frawychus i blant ifanc fod yn chi mewn sefyllfa fel yna.
Mae'n siŵr i fod o lle.
Mae 4 o'r plant wedi dod at ei gilydd mwyn cyfarfod John am y tro cyntaf ers 60 o flynyddoedd.
Ydych chi, trwy ryw ddirgelffyrdd, wedi cael hyd i nhw?
It's going to be amazing to be able to see the policeman, to be able to say thank you to him.
If he hadn't been there and pulled us out of the boat, then I wouldn't be here now. So what can you say? That's what we owe him.
Emotional, I guess. And lovely that he has wanted to meet everybody for so long.
How can you say thank you for such a huge thing? It just seems inadequate.
Da chi eisiau dod efo fi?
Yn y car, ar ei ffordd i weld John Edwards am y tro cyntaf ers cael ei achub ganddo, mae 4 oedd yn blant yn ystod y ddamwain 60 mlynedd yn ôl.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Good journey. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. We're the people involved in the boat accident.
Oh, you're the Johnson family, are you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. My name's Simon. I was 4 at the time.
And I'm
PC Edwards.
John Edwards, yes. Yeah.
I'm Mike Johnson.
Lizette.
How are you?
Hello. I was 10.
I was Lynn. I was 2.
You were 2?
Yes.
So you had that artificial respiration from my colleague?
Yes. I'm very grateful.
I've thought a lot about you over the years. Wondered, well, what happened to them? Are they still alive?
Well, I am, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm very happy to say that.
Because
And how old are you now?
84.
84.
You're looking very well.
Thank you very much.
So you're 84 now, so when it's 1962, what were you then, 20?
23.
23.
Oh, wow.
So you were just a young PC at the time? Do you want to sit here?
No, you sit there and
Around here. Well,
How much have you thought about the incident?
Well, I mean, obviously there are times when you think of it for something. I mean, I still remember from the incident the taste of seawater and diesel fuel.
I do.
Oh.
So, I mean, that really did. That stayed. This stays, obviously still stays with me now.
Yeah, I agree with that.
So did you just see it capsize the boat? Were you just passing or had you been alerted?
I was in Castle Street in Conwy, minding my own business, and Dick Jones came down the high street. Come on, lad, he said. Go on. We're going out in a boat.
I was the last one to be rescued. I'm the one that was floating on the hull of the boat with my father.
I bet you must have been frightened, though.
Oh, well, I was, but nothing compared to the fright when I was locked in the cabin on my own, because after you all got out, the cabin door closed on me and I think the boat must have sunk more.
Was the boat upside down when...
It was upside down for
when
me.
when the door closed?
I think it must have gone to being floating, sinking. After we opened the door of the cabin and you all got out, as I was getting out, the boat lurched, as I remember it, and the cabin door flung shut and sort of pushed me back. And then it happened very quickly then, it really sank. And I just remember this panic of not being able to, I was trying to kick the door, I was trying to get out, but finally just getting up into a tiny pocket of air and just sucking that for, I can't tell, it just seemed so long. And then I just remember thinking, well, this is it. I mean, that sounds dramatic, but I just did. And then seeing this flash of light, and I must have looked down, and my father had swum down and managed to open the door again, I don't know how, and he just sort of grabbed me. Luckily, I was a good swimmer, and then I just remember us swimming up and being on top of the boat. Yes.
You had a narrow escape.
Oh, yes, very, very, very.
O'n I falch o cyfarfod y teulu, oedden nhw'n bobl tu hwnt o gyfeillgar.
Can I have a hug? Allowed?
Yes. A big one?
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, pleasure, pleasure.